Just a moment.
Chuokinalla. What?
Samoa. Pamoy head to Varosha. Mi kripo Cusco. Kimoti Mizakakni Dumoto.
Go back to sleep. Breakfast.
She'd eat you alive. Years ago, I stood exactly where you stand now, waiting to go into this forest, and see whether I would come out a man, or if I would come out at all. I cannot tell you what will happen tonight. No two trials are exactly the same. But once this is over, one of you will come out in my place, and I will remain here for the rest of my days. I want you to remember, simply being chosen leader doesn't make you one. You have to earn it, as I hope I have in my time. Use your training. Stay focused. Do your parents proud.
Good luck with that.
There is one more rule we must all agree on before we begin. Whatever happens once we enter, whatever decisions are made, whatever events we face, once it is over, they stay here. You will not speak of it again, and you will not take it back to the tribe, understood? Then the best of luck to you all.
He's going this way. Well?
It's him. We should go in the other direction.
Why?
Too obvious.
Why would Nus want us to get lost?
No, Zaid.
It's dark, and I don't want to get lost out here for the night. Do you? I'm going this way. You two, do what you want. Well, go on then. Follow your boyfriend. Looks like it's just between us now.
We're not leaving him here. Help me get him off this.
Why?
Why? Because I said so, that's why.
Aaron, you should watch your temper. What would Nas think?
You are going to help me.
Is that so? That's what I like about you. A girl of few words.
It hurts. It hurts.
Bite down on this.
On 3. 1, 2.
Wait.
What?
Are you sure you just don't want to leave him here?
1, 2, 3.
Well, I'll see you two later then.
Huh?
Don't you dare.
What? I'm not staying out here with this cripple. Every animal for 30 miles is gonna smell him bleeding.
Horace.
No offense, Fate, but you're always going to be dead weight. What do you say, Aaron? I'll give you a head start. Let's finish this. Just me and you.
Or how about I slit your throat now and leave you both here? How does that sound?
Nice try, but you literally don't have the balls. I'll leave you to it. Oh, and if you see me again, you'll be kneeling at my feet as your new leader. What a nice thought.
Get off.
Why are we stopping?
I've been dragging you through this forest for hours. And your armpit smells. Rest for a while. Eris is probably leader by now, so there's no point killing ourselves for nothing.
Are we climbing up?
The tree? Don't be stupid.
What are you looking at?
Not looking. Listening.
Maybe we should rest over there.
Uh-huh.
Congratulations, Aris. You've made it to the birthplace of our first leader.
It is an honor.
Erin and Thade?
Thade stood on a bear trap. Aaron stayed with him.
And you didn't?
No.
Then we best call out for them, don't you think?
Why are you always so uptight? Just saying. Nos would definitely choose you if you just relaxed every now and then.
I'm not a leader. And Nus couldn't pick me even if I were.
People would get over it eventually.
You're right. An orphan as leader?
Then why spend the last 8 years trying so hard?
What else was I going to do?
Right. Of course. They'd be proud of you.
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Shut up, Thane.
Where?
It's coming. Weird. It's them. Get up.
Why are they calling out to us? I thought it was against the rules.
I don't know.
Save your energy, Ares.
It's been hours. Why are we still waiting?
Why wouldn't we wait? Oh. Because you think finding this place makes you worthy of being the next leader. We haven't even started yet, boy. Are you okay?
So you didn't get eaten then?
Fitna!
Erin! Tell me, Ares. Why exactly didn't you stay to help one of your own?
He's a coward.
I was asking him, not you.
Because he is a fool. He would have gotten us all killed.
You should be willing to die for your people. And you, what's your excuse?
I saved him.
Ares is right. You could have gotten the whole group killed. You act without thinking. That makes you as bad as Ares. And you are an idiot. So this is the pick of the litter. Then we might as well begin. Our ancestors came from this forest, survivors of the old world, who were already here when it fell. The story goes that the tribe argued over what they should do next, and split into two groups. One went in search of the old world. The other group stayed and built the village in which you now stand. They were happy for a time. But one night, while a fire burned brightly, the others returned. Our men fought bravely, but slowly they were butchered one by one, until only the young boys remained. One of those boys, Sumuel, had always had a talent for hiding. Took what was left of our village and taught them to blend into the trees and hide in the forest, until the others gave up and left. As dawn broke, Sumuel led what was left of our people out of the forest and to our new home, VAROSHA. No longer a boy, but a leader. Tonight, you will make the same journey. Once this fire is lit, anything could come out of the trees, or perhaps nothing will come at all. Every trial is different, and every group deals with the challenge differently. But in the end, one of you will emerge the new leader. Light the fire. Well, go on then.
This is a man's honor, right?
That is right. Pincha. Now what?
Wait.
Great. More waiting.
Some things never change. You're still sitting on your own all the time, I see.
I'm used to it.
You know, I've always seen myself as a father to the whole tribe, but some more than others.
I am grateful.
Your father would be proud to see that you have made it this far.
It feels right that I should end up going out the same way he did.
I had to watch your father die in this place. I'd rather I didn't have to go through the same with you. You should watch Harry's tonight. Just as you remind me of your father, so he reminds me of his.
Was it his father that killed mine?
You know I can't tell you.
Why do you always have to be so righteous with me?
And why do you always have to be so bad-tempered? This would be an easy competition if you would just get over yourself.
You're not my father.
And you're no leader. Not yet, anyway.
Doesn't that piss you off? What? Us? Treating the magie differently to us. You practically erased her. She shouldn't even be here. Whose legacy does she even carry? All her family are dead. Nos's decision is final, Alice. If he chooses Eren, tough shit. We'll see. I like it anyway. Nos was right. You are an idiot. Where are you going? The Kaji Siska. Rib na magie.
Please! Help me!
Aris, what?
Others.
Then your trial has arrived.
They're coming! Who is coming? coming.
Leave us be here like the box. We don't care about the rest of you. You can go.
I swear. Please, you have to help me get rid of this. That? Aries.
What? I'm just looking.
It's dangerous.
So?
Try.
I don't think we should be messing with that, Aries.
Fate is right, Aries. Leave it alone.
Why should I?
What did you say?
This is a trial, correct? So it is up to us, that is the rules. Your job is to watch, decide who you think should be the next leader.
And you think I might choose you?
No, I would not dream of it. You have already earmarked your princess over there with that honor.
Very well. You decide what you do next. But together, as a group, if you want to be a leader, Aries, you have to prove yourself. Thade, you go first.
I think we should give them the girl in that box. Why should we get involved with this?
And what if they decide to come back and kill us all after they have whatever it is?
Well, then we go before they come back. Leave the girl in the box here.
Maybe I should left you stuck in that trap earlier.
How does waiting here to die because of a box we know nothing about make any sense?
Maybe those others are watching us right now. As soon as we leave, they will take the box and follow us back to VAROSHA and kill the whole tribe.
Well, then what do you suggest?
We keep the box. It is powerful. They are afraid of it. It is the only reason why they run off. And it is the only reason why we are not dead yet.
And what about her?
She shows us how to use it. Otherwise we kill her.
And you think this is the type of leader I should choose? Tell me, Aris, after you have discovered what to do with whatever is in the box, what will you do next? Perhaps you will think yourself a god too.
You would prefer we spend the rest of our life answering to her, the orphan. You speak of tradition, but yet you make the tribe pet our new leader. She is a disaster waiting to happen, and you know it.
Aaron.
There she goes again. Just doing whatever she wants without asking anybody else.
I was bored of your voice. First, we find out more. Then we decide what to do.
See, you are ignorant, just like your father was.
Where is it? Where is it? Give her the box. Now. Who are you? Drink. Not all of it. Sorry. Erin, you?
Flynn. Who are you? Where are you from?
Why do you want to know that? Iska. Pramiti kappa. Mielab na latang. Shh.
That's not important right now. Who are those men that followed you here?
3, 6, and 9. Named after the numbers on the box.
They are gods.
That's what they say.
Because of what is in the box.
What is it?
My people worship it. Whoever has the box rules the city.
Who are the masked men?
They are the chosen ones. Guardians of the box. I'm going to get rid of it forever, though. You could help me.
Why?
Please. My parents died to steal this box. I have to finish it.
How?
No, Aaron. You are not in charge.
Aaron, please.
How?
There's a lake on the other side of the forest, at the edge of the old world. It's where the box first came from. I'm going to throw it deep into the water.
No, this is a bad idea.
This is your trial. This is your decision.
This is bullshit. You heard the woman. She comes from a great city. They know that we exist now. We need the box. It is the only reason why they will stay away.
The box is the only reason they will try to find us. We need to leave now and forget we ever saw this.
And how long do you think you will last with your leg like that? You need the box more than any of us.
You left him in the forest earlier, and now you care all of a sudden?
Shut up, Aaron.
Or what?
Quiet. Both of you. What?
They're back.
Open the box. Open the box.
We need to hide! Aaron! Go! Go now! This is mine!
You are a lot harder to kill than your father was. He cried like a dog. Very amusing. And you taste better than he did too.
Something!
Open your eyes, nurse. Don't die. Not here.
Bossy. Human after all.
None of you are. Suis-moi. Pas moi et tu, Varosha. Mikri blokus.
From death, we are able to live.
What does this mean?
I don't know.
He said that you weren't ready. He didn't choose you.
He didn't choose us either.
One of us has to earn it.
How?
Okay?
Okay.
Put it in the box.
Why?
Where is this lake of yours?
I can show you.
How do we earn it?
We get rid of that box. You okay? How far?
I'm not sure. I don't recognize where I am.
Just take a moment.
No. No stopping.
She's not your pet. Back off.
She's gonna get us all killed.
She's injured, no thanks to you.
I'll be okay. You should carry on.
You do not get to decide when and where we stop. You are not the leader.
Neither are you.
We should take the box, go back home, kill the masked men. But no, we died here for this other.
This box will never come back to Varosha.
Says who? You?
Where's the other one?
Fate?
Open the box.
Shut up. Fate? You are an idiot.
Not you too.
We should all stick together.
I found something. I've never seen anything like it.
Weapon?
No, I don't think so.
What is it?
No idea. It's old world though. At least we know we're heading in the right direction.
Good. You leave for a while.
My pleasure.
Was he your father?
No, but close. My parents died years ago.
How?
My mother died when I was born. My father died here in these trials.
I'm sorry.
Did I kill your parents? How?
After the raid, they knew they had been followed. So they gave me the box and told me to head to the old world and throw it in the lake. At first I did as I was told, but I couldn't leave them. So I hid the box in the forest and went back. It was too late though. 9 had killed them all. I saw my mother with her throat slit. They hit me with a spear a day ago. If I had never gone back, they would have had no idea. And I would have thrown this thing in the lake by now.
Let me see.
Is it bad?
Yeah.
Am I going to be okay?
Fade, how's your foot?
Like you care.
We must face facts. It's rare that anyone makes it alive out of these trials, other than the leader. Do you really want to die tonight? Look, all I'm saying is, how much of a chance do you think you have with your foot like that against the others?
What can I do?
Help me become leader. We take the box. We go home safely and stay that way. You must see that by now.
No, Ares. That is not earning it.
Says who? Nas? Nas is dead, Fade. And so are we if we don't do something.
Why should I help you be leader?
Look at you. You are not cut out for this. And neither is she. You have seen her temper. She'll get the whole tribe killed eventually. Fade, I see your face. You see the power. You liked it.
How?
We split them up. You distract Aaron. I'll take the box from the other.
No killing anyone.
She's already dead. As for Aaron, Esha Meji.
No killing, Ares. Or I'm out.
We must protect her, understand? Understand?
go back and stop Paris.
Why?
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
For?
Paris. He wants the box.
He's going to kill her?
I knew.
You're an idiot.
I didn't want to die.
Shh. It's okay.
I would have chosen you.
Okay. What are you doing?
What am I doing? What are you doing? Look at you. You are no leader. Where is Fade, huh? We're dying out here. And for what? This other? Viddu. I viptinastu. I'm going to take the box, and I'll use it on you if I have to. We can go back to the camp. Tell them Nas pick me, and I might let you live.
Sounds great. I'll pass.
Why don't you just think things through for once?
Believe me, for once I am, or I would have killed you already.
You kill me? I don't think so.
Maybe he can help. It's okay. I'm here. You're alive. Good for you.
Where's Dava? Where is it?
I don't think so, Aries. You were not good in that box.
Just don't get it, do you?
I know. You've already given your speech. We're all going to die, blah, blah, blah.
No, I'm not going to die. Just you.
Cute. So you're a god. I thought you would be taller.
Where is the box? Your friend here has told me about that little tribe of yours. Sounds nice. I might pay it a visit. Give me the box. I will drink the blood of every man, woman, and child you have ever known. And when I am done, their skin will decorate the walls of my home. Now, give me the box.
We're here because of you, Aaron. Because of your choices. Nobody else has to die tonight. I will protect them. Just tell him where it is.
Okay. Kill him, and I'll tell you.
Done.
No, wait. We had a deal.
Get rid of that box.
Aaron.
I am starting to like her. You came back. And you brought my box too.
Looks like you make friends quickly.
You are just a silly girl, playing with toys you don't understand. Give me that box. It is your only choice. Think about it.
I have. And I think if you want this box, come and get it.
Where's the box? I should just kill you right now.
Try.
Such a waste. All you have to do is just do as you're told.
I'm not good at that.
God! You don't get to kill me! Help me.
Pinch.